So first of all, हर कोई आपको ये पूछ ही रहा होगा कि how is the lockdown treating you? So how is it going for you? I know it's difficult for everyone because पहले था 2 हफ्ते 21 दिन and then it got extended. So how is it for you?
Yeah, I mean it's problematic, but it's not so bad for me because I'm used to staying in the house.
Okay.
And I essentially, for the past decade and a half, I've gone out only for work. So I'm not a social person. I don't attend parties and I don't go out. The only time I go out is for dinner with my family. तो अभी तो फैमिली घर पे ही है. तो मेरी वाइफ नीलम वो बीच बीच में कभी कभी पार्टीज करती रहती है हमारी, अच्छा खाना बनाती है. So I'm used to staying at home. I was worried for the kids because they are not used to staying at home, and the children have so much energy. So I was thinking it'll be tough for them, but I'm blessed to have such kids. They've handled it very well. They understand the pandemic, and they've handled it very well. They're very comfortable now in the house. So I think everything is settled down. बाकी जो तकलीफें हैं वो तो अभी उनका कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
But as a father, आपको कितना उनको उलझाए रखना पड़ता है और एंगेज रखना पड़ता है चीजों में, क्योंकि पहले था दैट आप बाहर लेके चले गए ड्राइव पे या उनकी फेवरेट जगह पे आपने उनको डिनर करवा दिया. There were so many options to keep them busy. But with lockdown, you can't step out of the house, so you have to be innovative at the same time. So how's it?
Yeah, but you see, that's not a very nice thing for a father to do. कि बच्चों को उलझाए रखना है तो डिनर पे ले गए. So the right way is to sit, we chat, they drink hot chocolate, I have a coffee or I might have a drink, and we chat. We are chatting obviously and thankfully. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पहली बार हम चारों साथ हैं. When we travel, we are together the whole day for 15 days, 20 days. But ये थोड़ा सा ये माहौल अच्छा है क्योंकि घर में ही हैं हम. So there's no sightseeing, nothing to do. तो बैठ के कई बातें ऐसी हैं जो when you're dealing with children and you don't realize, then your wife tells you that you should not do this, do that. तो क्योंकि बच्चे अभी बड़े हो गए
जी.
And a working father who goes to work in the morning, comes back in the night, they see their children growing up horizontally. तो सवेरे जाते हो तो सोता हुआ छोड़ के जाते हो, आते हैं तो फिर सो रहे होते हैं. But this is good. I mean, my son has started composing music. He raps and he plays the drums. So I'm jamming with him. Me on the saxophone, he on the drums. बेटी मेरी थोड़ी सी shy है, तो थोड़ी सी बातें होती है उसके साथ रोज. But it's a good thing. The closeness is increasing. The understanding is growing. So these are the positive points of being in the lockdown with your family.
And also, it's blessing in disguise, a kind of situation for many. Because आप लोगों के लिए जो स्पेशली एक्टर्स हैं, यू गाइस ट्रैवल अ लॉट. कई बार फिल्म के लिए, टीवी शोज के लिए या फिर ऐसे काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए आप लोगों को बहुत टाइम घर से दूर बिताना पड़ता है. एंड आई एम श्योर व्हाइल दे वर ग्रोइंग अप आपने काफी काम किया होगा बैक टू बैक, जब शायद आपको उनके साथ बैठ के बातें करने का मौका नहीं मिला होगा. बहुत ज्यादा शायद आपने ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स उनके मिस किए होंगे या शायद नहीं भी किए होंगे. सो क्या आप ये कहेंगे कि ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन है?
देखिए, मैं थोड़ा विचित्र किस्म का प्राणी हूँ. तो पहले से हमारे घर में ऐसा रहा है कि अगर मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और अगर उनका स्कूल नहीं है
जी,
तो वो मेरे साथ ट्रैवल करते हैं. दैट हैज बीन अ अनसेड थिंग.
ओके.
हाल ही में द लास्ट आउटडोर आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर माय तमिल फिल्म
हम्म,
इन थाईलैंड. तो हम लोग 4 दिन पहले ही चले गए वहाँ.
हम्म,
और शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद 4 दिन हम लोग वहीं थे.
ओ,
तो
nice.
पूरी फैमिली हमारी साथ में गई थी. सो क्योंकि मेरे लिए काम और फैमिली के अलावा और कुछ कोई तीसरी चीज है नहीं.
हम्म,
तो मेरे लिए दो दो चीजों को जोड़ना बहुत आसान है.
हम्म,
हाँ, वो जो आप कह रही हैं वो जो लंबे अरसे तक बात नहीं होती, वो मंडे टू फ्राइडे उनके स्कूल डेज जब होते हैं तब थोड़ा सा मैं जब काम से वापस आता हूँ तब वो लोग होमवर्क कर रहे होते हैं. सो दे आर बिजी इन देयर ओन लाइफ. बट इवन देन वी हैव वीकेंड व्हेन वी सिट वी टॉक. और जैसा कि आपने कहा डिनर्स या ड्राइव पे चले गए या शॉपिंग चले गए तो वो सब चलता रहता है. तो बातें होती रहती है. अ, तो बट हाँ, like you were saying, it's this lockdown is definitely done things to people. It has brought families closer.
जी,
It has made people realize that they can't live with each other. And
true.
yeah, so for me personally, my wife, she's sitting right here. She every day she gives me one test in tolerance. So देखिए, she's instrumental in me growing up as a person. So
Do you help her, in the kitchen?
uh,
Because a lot of husbands have
my
started doing it.
नहीं, my son is very fond of my pasta.
Oh,
तो वो जब इंसिस्ट करता है तो मैं उसको हाँ वो फॉन्ड इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं एक्स्ट्रा चीज डालता हूँ. ही इज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ चीज. बाकी माय वाइफ डज नॉट forget asking me to help in the kitchen. She doesn't like me to go into the kitchen. So she doesn't. So except for sanitizing things that are coming from outside and keeping the outside area of the house sanitized. Inside the house, she pretty much likes me not to interfere. So I'm only kind of dealing with the children, their workouts, my workout, music. There now because the school is just got over 2 days back. तो उनका क्या रीडिंग है, डॉटर की क्या फ्यूचर प्रिपरेशन है कॉलेज जाने की, ये सब. तो वो सारी आई एम इन्वॉल्व इन दैट. She doesn't like my presence in the kitchen and in other household matters also. She likes to do it herself.
so you have had a touch wood rock steady relationship, your marriage. But अगर प्यार की परिभाषा कहें तो would it be right or wrong to say कि relationship में love काफी है?
सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. You see, love, एक तो I don't even understand the meaning of this word love. Love बड़ा जेनरिक सा वर्ड है. लव मतलब क्या? I love my dog also.
जी.
So love is a very generic term. So what are you talking about? The love which I would call attraction, based on which a relationship starts? Are you saying that attraction that I feel, whether it is mentally stimulating or emotionally stimulating or physically stimulating, that is enough? No, that is not enough. You see, I can safely say that a emotionally and mentally stimulating relationship lasts longer than a physically stimulating relationship.
Right.
Having said that, this is just the base of a relationship. The point to understand here is that when two people come together, especially like Neelam and me, it was not a marriage made in heaven. It was not something that was handed to us on a platter. Bhaiya, chalo, sab kuch theek hai. We had to work on a relationship because she's a very strong individual, and she likes things in a particular way. She likes her home in a particular way. She's an amazing homemaker. Hence, she has a very strong likes and dislikes. So one has had to, and I respect that about her. Uh, that is the quality from where her love, her loyalty, her diligence towards her family. That's the same quality from where all these things come.
Right.
So I cannot want that and not want the rest. You see, it's two sides of the same coin. So when you have two sides of the same coin, that's the time the coin becomes a coin, and that's the time you can use it. Otherwise, it's completely useless. So yeah. We everybody has to beyond a point when that veil of fascination falls, and the word here is respect and understanding. You need to understand what the other person is made of, how the other person thinks, what the other person wants, who the other person is. And once you understand that, you have to respect that, because marriage is not a monarchy. You're not king or queen. Either way, it doesn't work. You know. So both spouses, it's like asking for gender equality. Same thing. It's partner equality.
Right.
So partners have to be equal. They have to be on a level ground. You can't be ऊपर नीचे. तो आपकी 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 सोच, आपकी समझ और आपका जो हर प्रॉब्लम के सोल्यूशन तक पहुंचने का जो तरीका है, you both have to agree on that. Once that is done, then you see, then we are human beings. Sometimes I might be irritated with my driver and come home and yell at my wife, or my wife could be irritated with something that's gone wrong in the house and she might yell at me. But that's okay. I mean, eventually we are human beings, and sometimes we are not क्या बोलते हैं इतनी तपस्या करके हम लोग अब तो we are human beings. हाँ, हम लोग वो नहीं, हम लोग नॉर्मल लोग हैं, हम लोग नॉर्मल जिंदगी जीते हैं. तो कभी कभी you fly off the handle. So at that point of time, the best is कि बस यार to let them vent it out, और आप चुप रहो. और 10 मिनट बाद में, जैसे मैं कभी कभी चिल्ला देता हूँ, फिर 10 मिनट बाद में जाके बोलता हूँ सॉरी बेबी, गलती हो गई, या वो बोल देती है कुछ, तो वो थोड़ा नेक्स्ट डे बोलती है सॉरी. टाइम लगता है. But I mean, it's not that she doesn't realize that she's venting. So when she's venting, I smile at her. So she immediately realizes she's venting. At least it drops, the level drops down. Yeah. So and we've spent 20 years together. Yeah. So 20 साल में अगर ये bridge नहीं बना सके तो फिर कब बनाओगे? And we've been fortunate. We're blessed with two young, intelligent kids. Who they come and they can't tolerate us even speaking loudly to each other. And we tell them that we are not fighting, we're just debating about something. And they say that, आराम से debate करो, don't yell in the house. So, so it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. Sir, last question before winding up. Because of this lockdown, people have come forward, actors, जिन्होंने ज़्यादा projects नहीं किए हैं, या they are not that established. They've come out and talked about financial crisis, and this whole debate has started on 90 days payment that rule is going on from years in this industry. What is your take on that? क्योंकि suicide cases बढ़ रहे हैं, लोगों के payment रुके हुए हैं, so much is happening.
मैं 92 में मेरी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी मैडम, जान तेरे नाम. It was a Silver Jubilee film. Silver Jubilee of that day is like about 100 crore today.
जी.
So my debut film was on that level. 92 it released. For 6 months I didn't get a single call. Then I got all kinds of trashy work, which I did for the next 3 years. And around 96, all the work dried up. For 4 years, I was sitting at home. I didn't even I had a small car, but I had no money for petrol. I used to walk to my mother's house for a meal after being in a Silver Jubilee film. I didn't kill myself, did I? So I'm not passing judgment on anybody, but everybody in the world at some point in their lives go through financial crisis. तो प्रॉब्लम आपकी क्या है, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस, और सोल्यूशन आप क्या ला रहे हो? आई डोंट सी एनी सेंस इन दैट. द अदर पार्ट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन, when you wanted to be a star, when you got the role, you signed on that contract. You read the contract. You signed on that 90-day clause. So it is nobody's fault. If you didn't agree with those terms, you should have said no then. The other side of it is that we are going through such a time where, whoever the principal is, whether it's the channel or the production house, they have to understand that these people belong together. I mean, it's your team. And, this is the time where people's work is stopped. So somehow they have to arrange the money to, don't give them extra money, but pay them what they are owed. Because everybody is under severe mental stress,
Right.
emotional stress, physical stress because of this lockdown. तो जिसका पैसा बनता है, मुझे personally, I haven't made any money since Jan. And my business, I have a small business which is running on the side, which is shut down since March. Whatever I have, I am selling things to upkeep those families. There are about 100 families that I am responsible for. I am not a very rich man, but I am doing it. तो आपके इतने बड़े बड़े कांच के बने हुए बिल्डिंग के ऑफिसेज हैं, आप करो कुछ बंदोबस्त. But you have to take care of the people who are on the ground. I mean, you have those big signboards that one can read from 2 kilometers from the highway in neon red. At a time like this, if you don't take care of the actors, that is not fair. कि अब आप जिद करोगे कि नहीं 90 दिन के बाद ही देंगे, आपको देना है ना 90 दिन के बाद. You owe them the money. They need it now. They are hungry. Give it to them. So it's on both sides.
Right.
Both sides. I would like to request the parties who owe money, even if you can't pay up fully, whatever you can. You know the person, you worked with that person for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. At least give maintenance so that they can survive. People have families at home. People have बूढ़े माँ बाप हैं, बच्चे हैं. So don't do this. Give them whatever you can. Sustenance. Sustain everybody around you. Sustain at least your immediate people. लोग बड़ा बड़ा दान कर रहे हैं, यहाँ देंगे, वहाँ देंगे, यहाँ देंगे. At least take care of your immediate people. And the people who are going through this problem, I want to tell them that I understand this problem completely. I know what it is to be hungry. But the only difference is, उस टाइम में अकेला था. अकेला आदमी भूखा सो सकता है, पर बच्चों को भूखा नहीं सुला सकता. So I understand what they are going through. All I want to tell them is that this will pass. So don't take any wrong steps. Hang in there. Tough times call for tough measures. So hang in there. This will also pass. We will emerge victorious and we will emerge stronger. And lots of love. Please take care of yourselves.